To the extent possible, the real estate industry continues to operate, despite our current challenges. This is Matthew Hote with Realty One Group and your trusted advisor university monthly market update. Housing is a vital need for people, which makes real estate an essential business. We are still out here working for those of you that need to buy or sell residential property now. We are armed with new tools and rules like virtual tours and open houses, interacting with our clients remotely when possible, limiting the number of people who come to a showing, and lots of hand sanitizer and disinfectant. The Valley has been in a very strong seller's market for a long time, and real estate is much slower to react to economic shifts than other industries. It could take months or even years to move into a buyer's market. Real estate prices are tied to supply and demand. As long as the demand exceeds the supply, prices will rise. The bigger the gap, the faster prices will rise. We've been in this economy for a long time. As the gap between supply and demand closes, price increases will slow down, but it's not until supply far exceeds demand that we'll see any drop in property values. It is very likely the coronavirus crisis will subside and some level of economic recovery will occur before we move into a buyer's market. 1 month into this, we are seeing some changes in the market. Buyer activity has dropped off almost 50% since early March. With many businesses closed and a high level of unemployment, this is no surprise. However, it may be a good sign that the number of listings under contract fell less last week than in the previous 3 weeks. For buyers who have struggled to find new properties, those still in the market are finding less competition and more choices, and interest rates are still low. Inventory, which has been at historically low levels, has begun to increase. This brings us closer to a balanced market, but demand still far exceeds supply, meaning it's just a less strong seller's market. I'm available if you have any questions about the market or need anything as we work our way through this uncertainty. If your family needs to make a move, we are still open for business for you. As always, I am your trusted advisor, Matthew Hote with Realty One Group.